Here's the translation of the list of international celebrities' names into English. Movie and TV actors: Johnny Depp, Robert Downey Jr., Tom Cruise, Leonardo DiCaprio, Emma Watson, Daniel Radcliffe, Jennifer Lawrence, Jennifer Aniston, Sandra Bullock, Meryl Streep. Singers and musicians: Beyoncé, Taylor Swift, Rihanna, Lady Gaga, Ariana Grande, Justin Bieber, Katy Perry, Kanye West, Miley Cyrus, Drake. Athletes: Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, LeBron James, Serena Williams, Tiger Woods, Roger Federer, Naomi Osaka. Other global public figures: Oprah Winfrey, Kim Kardashian, Meghan Markle, Michelle Obama, Kamala Harris, Queen Elizabeth II, Donald Trump. Some of these names are also part of Time's list of the 100 most influential people in the world in 2025, including Blake Lively, Scarlett Johansson, and Donald Trump. People.com. Let me know if you'd like a list focused on a specific category like African celebrities, Rwandans, or a particular music genre.